Hi, in this segment, we're going to take a look at how you can maybe add some differentiation to your Webquest by adding additional tutorials that the students can self-select. Okay, so I have my Webquest. I'm going to go down. So I have their hook, I have some background, and then here I have a video, the first tutorial about how to find oxidation states. So this is very skill-based. It's a math skill they're going to have for chemistry. So they watch the video and they do some practice. But that might not be enough practice at this point for everyone. So after this section, I'm going to add a new section. So I'm going to click on the last question and go to here and add a new section. And this will be where I can add some differentiation. Okay, additional tutorial and practice with simple station numbers. Okay. And then I can throw in the video. I want to have that video in there. Took me a while to find a video that was very short. This is about a minute long. That's what I'm looking for. If you can't find a short video, you might have to excerpt it using Screencastify. Okay. Another tutorial. 1 minute long. So please. They might think, oh, I don't want to watch another video, but it's only a minute long. Kind of let them know that. And then I can add after that video more questions, more practice. What is the oxidation number? Fe in Fe2O3. And I can work on the formatting of that and make those subscripts a little bit later. And I can give them their choices. Like typical adding a question, requiring it, going to the answer key, and in this case, it's +3, and making it worth some points. Okay. And then I could keep duplicating it and changing the question and the answers. Okay, so how do I make them choose this or not? Okay, so I've added the section that's going to be this optional differentiation section. So I go to the section prior to that, and I can add a question. Would you like more practice with determining oxidation numbers? And it could be whatever your skill is. Identifying literary terms, identifying a simile versus a metaphor. It could be identifying, I don't know, causes of World War II, and combining like terms. Whatever it is that you they might need more practice on. Okay, and then you could have yes or no. They would choose. So this is going to be a little more self-differentiation. Required it. It's going to be no points because we're not, asking a content question here. And then here's how you make it jump. There's 3 dots over here on the right, and go to section based on answer. So yeah, do that again. There's 3 dots. Section based on answer. If yes, they would like more practice, I'm going to change it so that they go to the additional tutorial. If no, they do not want more practice, I'll have them jump over that and go right to section 4. Right? Because this is section 2 right here. So if they want more practice, again, they're self-selecting. They're going to section 3. And if not, they're going to jump over that and go to section 4. Okay. If you want to incentivize this, get more students, more practice, you might want to be like bonus points for doing additional tutorial and practice, right? So you might want to sort of incentivize that, and they can get more points by doing that. Because again, you're going to have more questions in this section, which will be auto-graded, and of course, they answer more questions, they're going to get more points. Okay? So this is a way you can sort of have them, self-select right? Being all metacognitive and choosing if they need more practice or not. So I hope that helps. Again, you go to the end of the section, you'll add this question where they choose. You're using the 3 dots, go to section based on answer. Right? But then again, remember, you have to create that section. Okay. Hope that helped.